Okay! BFD's all done, but you're all here for eternal algebra. So this is the place for you, forever. You guys got to the count of 4. 1. No fair, that was mid-count. Good, he's down. Come on, guys, we need things for our stack. Later then. Maybe those other miscreants will be easier. Found you.
Good idea, Dora. We can take these trees for the stack.
Go, Dora!
She's always been my favorite.
Can anything ever go right for us?
Guys, 4 got me.
Ow!
Ow.
Ow. Oh.
That should be homework time. Great finds, David. We can take the set apart and... Wait! 4 must have found some of the others. People! Take your seats. The show is about to begin. This is weird, but I wanna see. David, take the theater apart for our stash. Bracelety will distract 4 with a show. Places, people!
What now?
Huh?
Stapy, you're like a hero!
Well, I mean, it wasn't all him.
How do you think we get out of here?
Do you think it has anything to do with that suspicious set of keys?
Yoink! My keys now!
Max, what are you thinking?
Guys, what are we gonna do?
What are you all doing? So rude! We're performing, so take a seat! Yeah, she, was so surprised! Really? It wasn't very big, but, Ice Cube went crazy! So, here's all the fun facts about Ice Cube that I can think of! You're going off script! I mean, whatever, just keep 4 busy! Use every digit of pi that I know! 1! Ice Cube! David! Ice Cube is funny. This play is full of surprises. Great haul, David. Good thinking, David. We can hide all our stuff in here. All I know is that if Ice Cube went bald, then so would I! Okay, show's over! Then back to... Shut it! We've got some other classes on today. Unless you think you're not a good student yourself, Well... I'm still probably better than you bozos. It's time for culinary class. Fine. But then back to algebra.
Push, match, push!
But it's like break time.
Enough, help us.
How am I gonna sleep now?
Stop.
No!
Climb!
Oh, I don't know, guys. Oh no.
Resting like a pea, Stapy. You would have loved escaping the exit.
Guys, help me out, please.
Stapy, you can force those walls out. I know it. You have to
I
believe in
just
yourself.
don't want to get even more stuck is all.
Stapy, you've got this. Go, go, go!
Good job, Stapy.
I kind of thought you're gonna die, but good job. Come on up, Stapy.
Forget about that. I must have broken the mechanism, because there's a door with a lock on it over here.
I can't ignore a secret door.
We did it.
Bingo.
What was that? Food fight! Oh, I guess time's up. You don't have a cake, so you fail for... Bad student, I guess! Whatever. Next class, then. Okay, race to the end and back. Go!
Hey, Pet, guess what? Sticking out your gun. Now this time, you will feel the
A plus for me! Wow, boy! You really keep failing, huh? Whatever, just next class already!
Finally, enough of that nonsense.
We've been bounced back to the start. I can see the school. We can head back now.
But we don't have anything for the stack.
I don't know, guys. I'll extinguish down there. I'll be on lookout and stop 4 if he comes back.
So many locked doors.
OMG! That must be like what all these keys are for. Armor! I so like totally knew it. Let's search all these cells for more and more for our stack. OMG, that was like so fun. Guess that's all of them.
Matchy, one more.
Nothing. They can't all like be winners. Let's get out of here.
Yep.
I don't want to jinx it, but I think we're actually going to escape.
It's a close one, but Bracelety's painting just has more soul for. I'll show you soul. Time to show your school spirit. Go! That one's for Ice Cube! Whenever I can come back from this. Actually, your goal is gone for, meaning Bracelety wins. F- to 4, of course. What? All your classes fail.
I don't want to jinx it, but I think we're actually going to escape.
Your classes wasting my time. Those other reckless students mean you go detention. Sing a sound. Can the next one be Ice Cube class? As long as we don't study her. Ugly face. Wait, Bracely, quick, to David's stash. Hurry, hurry.